Make this lockdown a time where we actually start something. Make this lockdown a time where you make something for the future. Where you think, no, I had lockdown, Roni was a mazza, it was peak, but I started the side hustle. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My people, today I'm gonna give you 5 business ideas or side hustles or whatever you want to call them, because obviously everyone's at home at the moment. You're sitting at home right now thinking, could I start something right now which could make me money on a continuous basis? Well, don't worry. That's why I'm here. I'm going to give you 5 ideas today, inshallah, that you can do on the side. And once they're up and running, what is it called? Oh yeah, passive income side hustle ideas. I don't even know what I'm going to call the title, but let's get into it. So at number 1, we're going to go with creating an app. Now, think about this. This isn't something which everyone and anyone can do, especially with websites now that actually connect you up with app developers. What you need to do is come up with an idea of an app that, to be fair, people are wanting to use right now, is making it convenient for them, and generally sit down and think to yourself, what would people really want? Maybe it's something on productivity. Maybe it's something the fact that we're Muslims and Muslims need it. Maybe it's something the fact that you want to improve something for motivation or mental health or whatever it may well be. Now, the amazing thing that comes to an app is not only will you make an app, and yes, of course you can have sponsorships. Yes, of course you can have subscriptions, but you can also have in-app purchases. So say, for example, the app is free. So the app is free, everyone downloads it, but for a certain service to upgrade, to get something, they have to pay a certain amount. Yes, the initial amount is a lot. Yes, sometimes it can cost a lot, but once the app is out, once it's actually doing its thing, there isn't that much you need to do to it. There may be an element of maintenance, and how you monetize it will make it passive income. And maybe how to monetize an app is a video for the future. So if you haven't already, like this video, share with your family and friends. And I went through the likes and I thought to myself, how many likes have I had the most? And I thought, you know what? Let's really ask the people. Can they support the channel? Let's go with 1,000 likes today. That's like crazy, by the way. But let's go with that. Because the channel's all about supporting the Muslims and supporting each other and growing the community. I'm trying to build people together and connect us together. So inshallah, anyone needs help, we're there for each other. So subscribe, share, and get it out with your family and friends. Now, at number 2, we're going to go with running Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads, you say, okay, cool. Let me explain. There are small businesses all across us at the moment. Now, many are shut and many are open, I know. And so maybe the pool of businesses isn't as much as what it was before Corona. But get in touch with these businesses and tell them, say you will run Facebook ads for them. What do I mean by this? Businesses want to grow on social media, but a lot of the times they don't actually understand how social media works. Like the business down the road, the takeaway down the road, my uncle who opens a kebab van, he doesn't really know how social media works. So get in touch with these businesses, run Facebook ads for them, tell them that you're going to generate people and customers through the Facebook ads, Instagram as well as Facebook. And by that route, you'll make money. Now, is this passive? Yes, because once the ads are running for them, once the money is there, once the person says to you, yeah, I'm happy for you to run the ads for them. I mean, really and truly, you probably have to do a couple of hours, if that, if you know how to run the ads, and then let the ads do the magic. And you can easily charge people 2, 3, 4, 500, depending on what sort of service you provide for them. So running Facebook ads is no doubt a sick business to have. Part-time, side hustle, passive as well. But let's get to number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliating marketing. I'm not gonna lie. Affiliate marketing is one of those ideas where it's like, you don't actually have to do much. As long as you have a following of some sort, as long as people come to a website maybe, as long as you have something which people are interested in and you use affiliate links, you can make some good money and completely passive. Now, let me explain. Say, for example, you've got a good following on Instagram, you've got a good following on Facebook, you've got a good, wherever you've got a good following, or if you don't have a good following, then build a good following. If you don't have a website which tracks a lot of people to the website, then build a website. And this is the building phase. Of course, when I say passive ideas, I'm not saying you don't have to put in any effort. My brothers and sisters, we do have to put some effort in. So build the people who actually come to your socials or your website, and then have affiliate links, which, by the way, for example, I've got like 3, 4 links in my bio. So if you want to ever use Amazon, just go on the links, and even if you're not interested in using the products that I've mentioned down below, you can still buy through those links, and I would still get a cut which isn't a massive amount, to be honest with you. But the point though being is, for something where the link is just there and people are happy to use the link, and they may even see it as a form of supporting the channel or supporting whatever you're doing. So have affiliate links in your socials where in essence, you're buying a product and the company pays you a percentage, 1%, 2%, 3, 4, 5%, maybe sometimes even more, depending on what the product and the website is. People will give you an affiliate link, in essence a commission, because you referred the customer to their website. So affiliate links is amazing, it's nice, it's passive. You can just let it run. Now at number 4, we're gonna go with, you need to have a little bit of money for this. But hear this out. See, we start saving some money and we think to ourselves, okay, many people message me on the gram, which by the way, the link's in the description below, Abu Musa. Add me up on the gram if you have any questions, by the way. Many people say, I've got 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 pounds in my bank account. What can I do with that money? You know what you can do with that money? You can invest in other people and invest in other businesses. And this is exactly why I have made this channel, so we can grow the community, grow the Muslims, grow the people. We can all be in one area, one place, one social media environment as such, where if someone has some money, 15, 20 grand, and a brother needs an investment, a brother has a brilliant idea, and the guy's like, pop, you put the two together, and where you have 10, 15, 20,000 pounds, maybe you can say to the individual, you know what, I'm looking to invest in your business, I will take a cut. It becomes passive, you're making your money make money, and that's beautiful. Not only are you helping each other, the brotherhood, but it also becomes something that you can genuinely profit with. Now, lastly, we're gonna go with developing a course in something you might be good at. Trust me, everyone is good at something. There's a link I actually put in my description, which is the Skillshare website. And the Skillshare website in the description below gives you a 2-month free trial, so you can check out different courses of other people's and you can genuinely like go on and see what other people are making. You can go on the other courses and check them out and watch them and so on and so forth. But that will also give you guys an idea on maybe what course you can make. See, you don't have to be a mathematician, a scientist, or something like that to make a course. You might actually make some banging bakery. You might be like the 10-10 guy for cupcakes. I don't know. But the point is, you could still make a course on that. And you can put it on Skillshare, and Skillshare will give you money for that course. And I know people making some good money. Like, I'm saying 500, 600, 700 pounds for one course that they've put out on Skillshare. So you can make some good money, and once you make the course, once the course is out, it's all passive money and the money will be coming in. And these are all the ideas I want to share with you guys today, and I will continue to give you guys more and more ideas, inshallah. Maybe 1, maybe 2 ideas benefit you guys and we can benefit everyone together. That's the plan, inshallah. So if you haven't already, like this video, share with your family or friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My brothers and sisters, we will, inshallah, be successful. We need time, but we will get there. Make this lockdown a time where we actually start something. Make this lockdown a time where you make something for the future. Where you think, no, I had lockdown, Roni was a mazza, it was peak, but I started the side hustle. I started the income rolling in. The little passive income now that I have for the years on, I started during lockdown, and that's the idea. So again, I appreciate your time, my brothers and sisters. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.